So you did it. You bought your first home. The keys are in your hand, you're on top of the world, and then it starts. You notice the wobbly kitchen chair that threatens to implode every time you sit on it. The crooked picture frame the last owners left behind that's just mocking you. And of course, that mountain of flat-pack furniture boxes giving you the silent treatment from the corner. Suddenly, every little quirk feels like a 5-alarm crisis that's about to drain your bank account. The fear is real. Do I really call a handyman for a wobbly chair? An electrician to hang a lamp? A plumber for one drippy faucet? Let's be real, those service calls add up. A simple leaky pipe is one of the most common headaches for a new homeowner, and a plumber can easily charge you hundreds for a single visit. But what if I told you that for less than the cost of one of those visits, you could own a core set of tools that will turn you from helpless to handy? What if you had the power to fix that chair, straighten that frame, and conquer that cardboard mountain with your own 2 hands? Today, we're building your essential homeowner toolkit, piece by piece. This is the foundation that will give you the confidence to tackle just about any repair or project that comes your way, saving you thousands and turning that anxiety into pure empowerment. Let's dig in. All right, let's start with the non-negotiables. These are the tools that will solve 80% of your problems right out of the gate. Think of this as your starting lineup in the big leagues of home ownership. First up, the undisputed champ, the claw hammer. This is for so much more than just pounding nails. You'll use it to hang photos of the family, secure a loose floorboard, or even for some light-duty demolition. And the claw on the back? That's your new best friend for pulling out old nails or prying things apart. Grab a 16-ounce model, heavy enough to mean business, but not so heavy it'll wear you out. Go for one with a steel or fiberglass handle. They're durable and absorb vibrations. Next up, a good screwdriver set is an absolute must. Screws are holding your world together, from cabinet handles to furniture legs. You'll need several sizes of both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers. Pro tip, skip the bulky 50-piece set and get a multi-bit screwdriver instead. It's one handle with interchangeable magnetic bits. Compact, efficient, and reliable. Measure twice, cut once. It's the golden rule of DIY. A 25-foot tape measure covers most rooms and projects. Get one with a solid lock and a wide, easy-to-read blade. Pliers are the unsung heroes of the toolbox. You want 3 types: slip joint, needle nose, and tongue and groove. They'll handle everything from gripping and bending wires to tightening plumbing fittings. An adjustable wrench replaces an entire set of fixed ones. Perfect for tightening bolts or assembling furniture. Look for a smooth adjustment and comfortable grip. 6 or 10-inch sizes are ideal. Don't underestimate the utility knife. From opening boxes to trimming carpet, a good utility knife is used constantly. Make sure it has a retractable blade and comfortable grip for safety. Okay, you've got the basics. Now let's move from quick fixer to confident DIYer. Nothing ruins a project like a crooked shelf. A 24-inch level is ideal, long enough for accuracy but easy to store. Phone apps don't compare to the precision of a real level. If you're hanging anything heavy, you need a stub finder. Drywall can't hold real weight. Studs do the job. Electronic models are affordable, and some detect wires and pipes too. If you've ever built flat-pack furniture, you know these: Allen keys or hex keys. Buy a foldable set with both metric and standard sizes. They're far better than those tiny ones in the box. Quick break. If you're feeling more confident already, hit that like button. It tells me you're finding this helpful. Thank you. Now let's move on to the tool that truly changes everything. This one's a game changer, the cordless drill. It drills holes and drives screws effortlessly. You'll never go back to manual screwdrivers. A 12 to 20 volt cordless model is perfect for homeowners. Get a kit with 2 batteries, a charger, and starter bits. Look for a variable speed trigger and an adjustable clutch for better control. This is the tool that bridges the gap between minor repairs and real DIY projects. Cool tools mean nothing without safety. You absolutely need 3 things: safety glasses, work gloves, and dust masks. They'll protect your eyes, hands, and lungs. Cheap gear, priceless protection. And because things never break in bright places, you also need a good flashlight or headlamp. A bright LED light will save you endless frustration. Go hands-free. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. And that's it, your essential homeowner toolkit. With these 12 core tools, you're no longer helpless. You're capable, confident, and ready to fix, build, and maintain your own space. This toolkit isn't just an expense, it's an investment in your independence. So what do you think? Is there a tool you think I missed? Drop it in the comments. I read every one. And if this helped you, subscribe and turn on notifications. We've got plenty more to build together.